All right, let's talk about this, that you have these dates, or you can have many dates, and you want to manage the data by knowing the day, the month, and the year. So all you just need to do is simply equal to, you type tests, and you can see here which is tests. Now the next thing is asking for the argument, which row are you working on. So I want to select this, and then I'm going to select this, which is A2, comma, and I need the dates. So the day, so I have to use dd, which is the formatting of day, and then I'll press enter. That's going to give me the day. Then the next thing is the month. Do the same thing, type tests and open bracket, select the particular date, the cell you want to work on, and then you want to know about the month. Then you now do the same thing, close it up, and then press enter. That's going to give you the month. Then in tests, then do the same thing here and do tests, and then open up the bracket, and then select the cell you want to work on, and do like this, and type yyyy, and then which is going to give you in this format, and then fill it up here as I suggested. Look here, I made a mistake here, so I need to make changes and change it to 2024 as what it's supposed to be. So I'm changing it to 2024, and then press enter. So that's automatically updated. So this is a way you can extract the day, the month, and the year by coming up here and do the same thing the way you did it here. So this is how you are going to get it done. So if you have any question you want to ask me, so kindly go ahead and ask me.